नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, बीएसएनएल वीआरएस ऑप्टेज के लिए ड्यू का भुगतान के लिए एक पत्र लिखा गया है जो कि इस प्रकार हैं। नंबर 48/2020 पीएनबी, डेट 28/2021 टू ऑल हेड्स ऑफ सर्कल्स, टेलीकॉम डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीजन प्रोजेक्ट्स, टेलीकॉम स्टोर्स, टेलीकॉम फैक्ट्रीज एंड अदर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसेस, भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड। सब्जेक्ट रिकवरी ऑफ ड्यू other than government dues from the retirement benefits of BSNL VRS 2019 scheme retired employees regarding। तो एक पत्र लिखा गया है जो कि BSNL VRS ऑप्टिज के जो कि बाकी पेमेंट के भुगतान के लिए लिखा गया है, जिसमें कि लिखा गया है, सर आई एम डायरेक्टेड टू रेफर टू दिस ऑफिस लेटर ऑफ A1 नंबर dated 29/9/2020 wherein guideline to recover due amount from BSNL retires other than those retired under BSNL VRS 2019 scheme has been issued. This is in accordance with the instruction issued by the DOT letter number MISPAN issued BSNL DDG 25/2022 dated 24/8/2020। तो मतलब ये है कि BSNL ऑप्टीज जो VRS लिया था उनका जो कि ड्यू पेमेंट है, ड्यू भुगतान है, वो जल्दी जल्द किया जाए। और जो कि पत्र लिखा गया है 29/9/2020, इसके हिसाब से इनको जल्द से जल्द इनका आंसर दिया जाए। तो फ्रेंड्स, आफ्टर इंसेंस ऑफ ऑफरसेट लेटर्स द गाइडलाइंस टू रिकवर ड्यू फ्रॉम द BSNL VRS 2019 retires who have been occupying BSNL accommodation after retirement from their terminal benefits were under consideration. Now, with the approval of the competent authority, it has been decided to recover the dues from 2019 BSNL VRS optees who are still in occupation of BSNL accommodation, and also from those who have not submitted no dues certificate in the following manner till they submit NDC after vacation of queries. The amount of leave encashment payable by BSNL to BSNL VRS 2019 retired will be withheld. Second, the remaining 8% of ex gratia amount payable to BSNL VRS 2019 retiree will be withheld. Recovery will be made from the amount of remember of outdoor-indoor medical claims submitted by the retirees. Recovery will be made from the amount of reimbursement of LTCA/TL claims submitted by the retiree. Recovery will be made from the amount of reimbursement of mobile handset, briefcase, bags, newspaper claims, etc. submitted by the retirees. In this regard, the unit branch dealing with the allotment of BSNL quarters may be asked to send notice reminder to the concerned retiree for submitting the no dues certificates after receiving the NDC. Only the withheld amount in the respect of the concerned retirees may be released by the circle. Further, as per the clause 3B4 and 5 of Public Premises Unauthorized Occupants Act 1971, a state officer is having full powers to issue so cause notice to the retired employees who were unauthorizedly occupying the residential accommodation, stating why an order of eviction should not be made within a period of 3 working days. Hence, a state officer of the circles and requires to take necessary action accordingly. State officers of the territorial circle may take extra care to collect the details of the staff quarters in the merged unit in their concerned circle, either through REM in ERP or otherwise, and take necessary action to evict the unauthorized occupants under the provisions of the powers vested with them as per the Eviction of Unauthorized Permission Act of 1971. The state officers of the circle SSC are responsible for any loss caused to BSNL if they do not exercise the powers vested with them. Suitable action may be also intended to recover the outstanding dues, if any, from the unauthorized occupants. Action taken in this regards may be intimated to this office from time to time. All the heads of circles, administrative units of BSNL are therefore requested to take necessary action in accordance with the aforesaid guidelines. Yours faithfully, सुधांशु शेखर राय। तो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे द्वारा दी गई जानकारी पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, और यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार विजिट करें तो दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा।